My child, you are hearing this for a reason, chosen one. What is about to happen in your life will shock you. There is something big coming toward you right now. Something you have been waiting for, in silence, in pain, in tears. I am speaking to you now, chosen one. I have seen every night you cried, when no one was watching. I have heard every silent prayer, you could not even finish speaking. And I have not ignored you, not even once. Chosen one, you are not forgotten. You are not abandoned, even when everything felt empty. I was there, holding you, in ways you could not feel. What was sealed over your life cannot be undone. No force, no person, no enemy can break what I have already written for you. Chosen one, listen carefully. Something is shifting, right now, behind what your eyes can see. Delays were not denials, they were protection. I blocked what would have destroyed you, even when you did not understand it. You thought you were losing, but I was saving you, chosen one. Now the season is changing, suddenly, quickly, without warning. Doors you stopped knocking on will open on their own. People who ignored you will remember your name. And those who doubted you will see my hand on your life. Chosen one, do not fear what is coming. Because what is coming is aligned with your destiny. Your tears were not wasted, they were watering your breakthrough. Your pain was not punishment, it was preparation. And now I say to you, rise. Rise from the place where you thought it was over. Because it is not over, for you, chosen one. There is a divine shift happening in your favor. You will feel it, first in your spirit, then in your reality. Confusion will turn into clarity. Delay will turn into acceleration. And silence will turn into testimony. Chosen one, you are stepping into something you are not ready for. I have prepared paths where there were no paths. I have opened doors that no one can shut. And I have placed protection around you that no enemy can penetrate. What was sealed over your life is now being activated. Do not look back, chosen one. Do not return to what broke you. Because what I am giving you now is greater than what you lost. Stay close to me, even in uncertainty. Because I am guiding every step you take, even when you think I am silent. Chosen one, this is your moment of divine turning. You will soon understand why everything had to happen this way. And when it does, you will not question me anymore. You will thank me for every delay, every closed door, every hidden pain. Because it all led you here. To your breaking point, becoming your breakthrough. To your silence, becoming your victory. To your pain, becoming your purpose. Chosen one, I am not finished with you. Not even close. And what is coming next will prove that I was with you all along. Chosen one, you thought the waiting was the ending, but it was only the beginning. I am not done writing your story, not even close. What looked like silence was actually alignment, what looked like rejection was actually redirection. Chosen one, you are closer than you think, so close that if I showed you the full picture right now, you would not even believe it. That is why I kept you in the unknown, because I was building something in your life that requires faith, not sight. Something is about to collide with your reality, suddenly, unexpectedly. You will call it luck, but it will be my hand. You will call it coincidence, but it will be my timing. Chosen one, pay attention. The people who walked away, they made space for what I am bringing in. The things that fell apart, they were never meant to stay together. I removed them, so I could rebuild you properly, and now, I am rebuilding you stronger than before. Chosen one, you will not recognize your own life soon. The same place that once made you cry, will become the place you smile in victory. The same situation that broke you, will become your testimony. The same delay that hurt you, will become your greatest blessing. Do not doubt what is unfolding, even when it feels slow, even when it feels unseen. I am working in layers you cannot perceive. Chosen one, listen deeply now. A door is already unlocked for you. It has been waiting for your arrival, and when you step through it, everything changes. Your name will start to circulate where you never expected, your voice will reach places you never imagined, your presence will carry favor you did not earn, because I placed it on you, chosen one. You will no longer chase what I already assigned to you, it will begin to come to you, effortlessly, divinely, perfectly timed. Chosen one, do not let fear speak louder than faith. Because fear lies, but I do not. And I have already spoken your ending. It is not defeat, it is not loss, it is not failure. It is victory, restoration, and elevation. Chosen one. I am bringing you into a season, where you will finally breathe again. Where you will no longer survive, but thrive. Where you will no longer question your worth, because everything around you will confirm it. And when that moment comes, you will realize. I never left you, not for a single second. Chosen one, you are stepping now into the part of your journey where everything starts making sense, and it is a beautiful thing. Even the pain you begged me to remove, even the nights you thought would never end, are becoming clearer. Chosen one. I was shaping you in those moments, not breaking you, but building something stronger inside you, something unshakable, something they cannot understand. Something that will carry you through what is coming next, because what is coming next is not small, it is not ordinary. It will stretch your faith, and then multiply your blessings. Chosen one, do you feel it, that quiet shift in your spirit, that feeling that something is changing, even when nothing looks different yet? That is me, preparing your breakthrough. I am moving people, I am moving obstacles, I am moving timelines, everything is aligning without your effort. Chosen one, stop worrying about who left, they were not meant to walk into your next chapter, some people were only assigned to your preparation, not your promise. Now I am bringing the ones who are aligned with your destiny. Chosen one, doors are not just opening, they are opening for you specifically, not because of your strength, but because of my promise over you. You did not have to fight for this season, I fought for you, when you did not even know you were in a battle. Chosen one. I protected you from what you never saw coming, I blocked the harm you never realized was near you, and I guided you out of things that could have ended your story early. But I said no, because your story is not finished, not even close. Chosen one, soon you will look back, and understand, why certain doors slammed shut, why certain relationships ended, why certain prayers felt unanswered at the time. Because I was preserving your destiny, not delaying it. And now, everything is coming together, slowly, gently. Like pieces of a puzzle, finally revealing the full picture. Chosen one, do not underestimate what I placed inside you. You carry more strength than you realize. More purpose than you understand. More destiny than you can see right now. And I am activating it, step by step, moment by moment. Chosen one, very soon. You will stop asking, why me? And you will start saying, I understand now. Because everything you walked through was leading you here, to this moment, where I reveal. You were never lost. You were always being led. Chosen one. I need you to hear this deeply now. What you are entering cannot be compared to your past seasons. It will feel different, because you are different now. Chosen one. The version of you that cried, is not the version that will receive this blessing. I had to remove the old weight from your spirit, so you could carry what I am placing on you now. Chosen one, something is being released over your life, right now. Not tomorrow, not later, but now. A shift you cannot stop, and you cannot delay. Because I have already spoken it into motion. Chosen one. The doors that were locked before, are not locked anymore. They are waiting for your footsteps. And when you step forward, they will open without struggle. Chosen one. You are not late, you are right on time in my plan. Even when people made you feel behind. Even when your life felt stuck. I was arranging everything perfectly for this moment. Chosen one. I did not allow you to break, I allowed you to bend. So you could return stronger, not destroyed. And now you are rising in a way no one expected. The same ones who ignored your silence, will soon notice your impact, and they will be aware of the change in you. The same ones who underestimated you, will witness your elevation, and they will see you in a new light. And they will not understand how fast everything changed for you, but you will know. It was me, and you will be at peace with that knowledge. This is the season. It was never about force, it was about timing. I am closing the old chapter completely now. Not to punish you, but to free you. Because what is ahead of you, cannot fit into what held you back. Walk forward without fear. Even if the path feels unfamiliar. Even if your mind questions it. Trust what I am doing in your life. Because I have never left your side, not even for a second. And now I say this to your spirit clearly. It is finished in the old season. And it is beginning in the new one. What was sealed over your life, is not broken. It is being revealed. And when it fully unfolds, you will say, now I understand why I had to go through it all. Go forward now. And do not look back. Because what is coming toward you is greater than everything behind you. And I am with you, always. Chosen one. Before you leave this message, hear this final call clearly. If this message touched your spirit, do not ignore it. This is not just a video, this is a reminder that you are still chosen, still protected, still guided. Chosen one. Write this in your heart right now. I trust the process, I trust the timing, I trust the path. Say it even if your mind is still unsure. Because something is shifting for you, even as you listen. Chosen one. Do not carry your fear into the next season, do not carry your doubt into what I am building for you. Leave it here, and step forward lighter, stronger, clearer. Chosen one. If you believe you are being guided, then hold on to that belief. Even when nothing makes sense, even when nothing is visible yet. Because what I have spoken over your life is still in motion. Chosen one. And now I say this to you with love and power. Keep going, do not stop, do not turn back. Your breakthrough is closer than your tears, your change is closer than your waiting. And your testimony is already being written. Chosen one. This is your moment to stand firm, to trust deeper, and to walk forward without fear. Because what is coming next will confirm everything I told you. And you will know, without any doubt. You were never alone, not even once.